So my people, now welcome back to another video. Today's video we go to cook beans and yam. So guys, I can pour beans inside boiling water, okay? Then I can cover and make it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I can remove the water and I can rinse and wash them with clean water, okay? Then I can put them back to fire. The reason why you're washing na to avoid that bloating stomach, okay, after eating beans. Now with me, you make me your take off that water. It's very important, guys, okay? If you want me your beans set away for your belly, just go through that process. Trust me, you will like them. All right, okay? So then after like 15 minutes, the beans done 90% cook, okay? Then I can put yam, then I can put my seasoning, then I can put my onions. See guys, if you want make your beans sweet, like delicious, the secret na fresh pepper and onions. Yes, that is the secret to a sweet beans not to need too much ingredients. Just use enough fresh pepper and onions. If you put fresh pepper according to how you take want, but trust me, put plenty onions. See, that beans go sweet. Then I can put my fresh pepper and onions, then I can put salt, then I can put water, then I can have my fresh mackerel fish. Fresh mackerel fish and beans, they be like 5 and 6, guys. They be like 5 and 6. So guys, let's come cover and make it cool. So guys, now make we fry our oil for pot. Then I can put my red oil, guys. Sorry say I'm not sure when I lost some clip, okay? Then after the oil hot some more, then I can put the remaining fresh pepper and onions. As I first talk, the secret of sweet beans now fresh pepper and onions. You don't need too much ingredient, okay? After you don't fry for like 2 to 3 minutes, then I can pour it inside my cooked beans, okay? See, I can pour am inside these beans, and like my house they scent already, everywhere they scent. Then I can stir, I can cover and make it simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes, okay? If you don't watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, what you see they wait for, okay? What you see they wait for, make you subscribe, like this video, share please. I beg make una dey share my video, I beg. Walai, after 3 minutes my beans done ready. This is like this beans taste so yummy, taste so delicious and very soft, well cooked. E dey very soft well. That's why they like my beans, very soft, okay? As you dey put that for mouth, e go dey melt. Yes, that's why I like my beans. Check out these beans now. These beans taste so yummy. So guys, I will see you again for my next video. Bye.